Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a glass text effect within Photoshop. So firstly, we're going to write out some text in the middle of our canvas. And then we're going to change the background color to be a blue. So we're just going to go with 677 2BD. And then select OK. And then we want to change our text color. So we're going to change that to be 5B, 5B, 5B. And then that creates a nice dark gray that we can use for our text. We're then going to select our text layer, right click and select blending options. This will bring up the layer style dialog box. From here, we want to change the blend mode to become screen. And then we're just going to pull down the fill opacity to 0. And then we're going to head over to bevel and emboss. And what we want to do is change the style to become pillow emboss. We want the technique to be smooth, and we're going to increase the depth to be 500%. We're going to increase the size also to 15. We're going to soften to 0 so that remains the same. We're going to keep the angle at 120 and altitude at 52. Gloss contour changes to be cone. And then from there, we're also going to adjust the shadow mode. So we're just going to pull this all the way down to decrease the shadow to 20. And then we're going to head over to inner shadow. And we're just going to add some shadow to our text. So we're going to reduce down the opacity to be 20%. We're going to keep the distance at around 10 or maybe even 8. That works quite well. And then we're going to keep the choke at 0, and the size we're going to move up to, I think 15 works quite well, so we'll keep it at 15. And then the contour remains the same as the default. And then we're going to select OK. And there you go. In a matter of seconds, we've created a glass text effect using Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.